What's going on, my people? Coulrophobia. So why do you hate clowns? The answer is
simple and very interesting. But that's just me trying to
play it down. It is interesting because it demonstrates how brain structures from our primitive ancestors can affect human behavior today. As you know, clowns are associated with bright colors or some kind of coloration. Colors such as orange, blue, green, yellow, you know. These bright colors are where the phobia comes from. How do bright colors
structure coulrophobia? I'll tell you, my precious little human.
If you would give me a minute to stretch the video out further and add a few more pennies to my wallet.
In the wild, animals and insects use bright colors as a warning to predators that this particular colorful little animal is poisonous. A few examples are coral snakes, poison dart frogs, and rough-skinned newts. The newt in particular is a great, if not the best example, since its defense is to display the bright color when it is petrified. Or alarmed. Our more primitive ancestors took this warning and developed a process in the brain that kept us from interacting with these animals. However, since that time, we have evolved out of that process. But for some, it has not completely left the brain. Just as I mentioned in the video, belittling human babies, our cognitions also plays a part in the regression of the process that developed the phobia, allowing some of us to choose to keep ourselves from feeling that instinctive fear or alertness. This alertness could also very well be the same reason some of us are
attracted to clowns.
Maybe they feel excitement from the adrenaline that the fight or flight response gives. Who knows? Interactions with animals that initiated survival instincts could also be the reason for other phobias such as trypophobia.
Maybe the shape and patterns of holes represent spots on an ancestor of the jaguar or another animal with a lot of spots that they learn to
avoid.
Just to throw you all some more information, these avoidance and survival instincts could have developed by some form of PTSD, watched their bodies die, and spaced out on the scene, traumatized forever. Additionally, you may also be wondering, what about the other animals with intense colors like a peacock or parrot? If you really do wonder why they responded like in their evolutionary cycle and how the process of how it all went down,
well, this video is done.
I just want to end it on this note. Regardless of whatever your genetics may have made present in your brain, you can change it with your cognitive ability. A lot of this depends on your perception and the level of diligence that you carry. Try not to allow an insecurity keep you from clarity or having a clear head about your responses and how you perceive stimuli. Try not to assume things and practice self-control
regularly. Thanks.
Peace and love. Peace and love.